What do you mean with an operator?
I'm the only one who doesn't have a default operator. I'm obviously the main character.
Oh, because I didn't bother to change it, you dumb butt. You're not special.
Hey, maybe next time.
Okay.
I will end the game.
Bro,
I will end it.
unpause the game, clown.
It's
Oh, I
not
can
the one
pause
that I
for
usually
everyone?
use, but
Yeah, it pauses for everyone as of Black Ops 4. Stop that.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Here we are.
What is with these play counts and just spawning in front of you?
So essentially, why they all spawn is because the Aether Scroll parts. We got all three at the same time. Oh.
Yo! The box loves me.
What'd you get?
I got a war machine.
Oh my god, are we done? Are we over?
You should have just seen my screen, bro. What do you mean?
What killed you?
just a normal zombie.
No, just a
Are
zombie.
you joking? He died to a big red. You died to a limp dick looking zombie.
Yeah, he's also died 3 times. Shut up. And you've died once too. Fuck up.
Okay,
What'd you die to? You died to a split megaton. You died to a split megaton. You died to a split megaton. You died to a split megaton.
Ours are justified.
I've just hit level 4, Luke, okay?
Alright, that's the last time I'm going down all game.
Fucking okay, bet. We have to, but like, we have to, yes I know, but like, what's your plan? Are you gonna survive? No, not with the stuff we have.
My goodness.
Okay.
20. It's easier for you because you're not streaming. Please pull up the guide and look up the step with the 2 soldiers because I'm not sure exactly where they spawn. But we need the ether wrench and we need the thing that's stuck inside the tank
Hi
barrel.
guys, Mr. Rough Waffles here. Here's a no-nonsense guide for Die Maschine Easter egg.
Yeah. Go ahead. Blitz, did you kill this?
No, those both splits are out.
Oh. But there's that. Okay.
Yeah, I know. So wait,
What did you get?
I don't know.
It's in the coffin.
How do I do this?
Kill the zombies.
I can't kill them.
All of them?
Maybe you have to wait till their dance is over. I've never done this.
Never have I. Neither have I. How does this? Come on. Please. Guys.
What? How does this work?
I don't know. Do we have to wait this whole thing?
I think we might. This guy's doing the robot. It might spawn on the ground afterwards.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we just spawned here.
Oh.
There
Jason?
he is. What do we do?
Jason, you see Orlov? You see that guy? That's your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Protect him.
But I don't like them. I'm spraying as hard as I can.
I'm down? Revive me? Hello?
I'm working on it, man.
Did I revive?
You did.
Oh, I'm down now.
Come.
Whoa.
Do you have a monkey?
I don't. Both of them were used before. Love you, Lance.
Bro, get me up.
I can't.
That's really cringe. Go down there. It'll be down there, I promise.
Oh man, look at you. You were so right.
Now that's the sweet spot.
Why the fuck isn't it there, 20? Ah, wait a second. That's weird.
Why does it not show mine?
That's fucking weird, isn't it, 20?
Available.
Yeah, that's
that's
fucking weird, isn't it, 20?
As an original member of TPD, I would like to say something positive about the go.
As an original. Whoa, hold up, what?
As an original member of PBD, because you've been here for the longest time, say something nice about the group. Go.
Everyone here is very funny, and I enjoy my time coming here.
I would like a better up than that. You may think about it. You could take some time.
A better up?
So yeah, so I need a better upper, right? I need something.
Lance, I just got the D from the box.
I don't know. You guys are all my friends, and I enjoy my time here. That's about all I got, bro.
Don't worry. You playing the game. You can think about it. I'll come back tomorrow. Because that is terrible.
What the fuck do you want me to say, man?
I'll imagine somebody say something good about me, but you're funny. Like we're the ugly chick that you were trying to curve. What the hell?
And it takes my weapons away. Save me.
You have stamina up run.
I cannot run. I have to walk. Save me. Oh,
okay.
Jason, that is not what we like to see. Uh-oh.
I just downed myself with the fucking war machine.
Are you fucking...
There's too many. There's too many. There's too many. I can't. I can so shit so early on. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna die eventually, but it's just a matter of when. Look at that.
Crawl together! What's wrong with you? Bro, 20, I know you know how this game works. 20! This is fucked. I can't get you.
Okay, you get me up, I go back, get 20 up, and then he goes back and gets you up.
There's like 50. Here, I'll go.
No, I have quick revive. Get them off me. You fucking suck. You fucking suck. Just stay alive. Just.
I have no good ammo.
Oh
I'm
my
going
goodness.
down. I'm just gonna go down to it. Ready, go?
Please, someone take the zombie. I swear to fucking... Yo. You guys are over here dicking around with perks. I'm killing 8 megatons. Take my goddamn zombie!
Hey, there's a zombie there.
Man, it's round 24! I needed one of those megatons for the Easter egg too, but you guys... Fuck! Bro.
The run's dead, Lance. Just
It's not dead. Just stop being retarded.
It's dead. It's very dead.
It's dead if you act like it's dead. This man 20's over here on round 19 hitting the box, getting a fucking QBZ like he shouldn't be spending his points on his actual guns. Yo. Who's down?
And
I am.
Jason. I'm near him.
Round 20. For the love of fuck, do not end round. Please.
Man, there's 3 zombies by me. I might have to kill them if they're around me.
I have a whole herd.
You died to 3 zombies. 20.
Listen, I was walking backwards and one kept me.
It's okay, I'm bringing them to you guys.
10,000 points to refill my fucking ammo in my wonder weapon when it was almost full.
I can't. It's too much, man. It's so
Bro, literally, if I get a megaton, we're on the boss fight! Let's stop being stupid! Please!
Please grab that max. Okay, thank God. I got the M82. Wait, why did
there's something wrong.
me?
There's something wrong with you guys.
Wait, Jason, did you end round?
No.
Jason,
What are you talking about?
he didn't. Who ended round?
There's literally
Lance.
something wrong with you guys.
Lance, did you end round?
There has to be something wrong
What
with you.
you got? What you
Lance,
got?
you ended round.
fight. What are you talking about?
Bro, 20. Jason, I know you can't fucking help it as much as 20 can. 20, stop being fucking retarded, okay? You little fucking loser. It's not over. You've been saying it's over since round 10, yet somehow here we are on the final fucking step. God dang, just fucking buy the Gallo, upgrade that bitch, stop wasting your points, buy some fucking— you're spinning the box, you don't got fucking box! Yo. I fucking hate you, man.
Hey, how fucked would it be if I ended it?
Going to be okay.
Bro, you guys have been saying it's over. This is like fucking playing through an entire game, right? And making it to the final level, making it to the boss fight of the final level, and then saying, no, this game is too hard, and then just fucking giving up. Like, why? You're there!
Are you happy?
Jason, upgrade your armor. You guys have fucking double-digit downs. The game's impossible. Fucking, you don't even have— you had one armor. You had one armor. It's round 26. Okay. You had one armor.
Okay, what's your point? What's your point?
Luke, I think you're starting to lose it.
Bro, I'm being—
this is your friend you know at work, man.
I'm being trolled.
You killed! We had some things to do.
What did you have to do? You have fucking 1,800 points.
I could hit the box a couple of times.
For what? Yo.
If you actually have this, it's right there. There you go. Oh, I know he's mad. Okay, wait, so the boss fight's a lot easier than I thought it was. Alright.
Cool. Don't say that. Do not fucking say that to me.
I thought it was a lot harder, because the first time around, it was just... Let's just... So I get it now. You wanna try again?
Hey, I'm level 15 now.
Level 36.
That's nice.
No, that's what you said.
Yeah, I'm voicing my words, I know.
Yeah. He's not cutting out for me. The ether scope part spawns on top of the plane, right? Oh, it's right here, you fuck. What's wrong with you? You said they're not spawning. Oh. No, bitch, your eyes aren't spawning.
No. So for some reason, yours, when you picked up the plane part, the spawn part didn't spawn until real quick.
I'd like to think that that's canon.
It is. It's in the game.
I would never refuse this.
I will quit the match right now, Lancelot.
That's for you trolling my last game, pussy. It's
crap. Oh,
I don't think it's mine.
Oh, crap. It's not mine.
That's impossible.
That is. Or wait, maybe we can go through the controls room, maybe.
Control room still thing. It's still.
Or is it that you're supposed to delay?
No.
It's 100% Jason's.
Luke, why didn't you?
Because we have 54 seconds, dog. Jason.
Get me up. Okay. You're gonna do the same. You just wasted so much time, and now you're gonna go down.
We gotta go. Let's move it.
Okay. Bye.
You strike over.
I love you. I love you, Lance.
GG, bro. Sorry, Jason. My butthole just gets filled with nostalgia. I just want to hold it in my